Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we'll be talking about a new budget smart TV, the KUKA S3U Pro. So KUKA TVs are more into the budget segment, and they're really popular in the Southeast Asia, and they're getting into more and more households with their budget TVs. Now they've launched their new OS, the Coolita OS. So Coolita OS 1.0 has been launched, and the KUKA S3U Pro is the first TV to feature this OS. So it's a custom OS from the company. So Coolita OS 1.0 is a light web OS version based on the Linux kernel, and it brings three major functionalities or important feature to the table. One of them is lower memory consumption, and second one is fast performance, and third is a very simple and easy to use interface. So these are the three major aspects of the Coolita OS 1.0, and this TV, the KUKA S3U Pro, is the first TV to feature the Coolita OS 1.0. So we'll be talking about the interface, the sound performance, the ports available, the display quality, and overall user experience in this detailed video. So before getting into the video, if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that red subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So let's begin. So first let's have a look at the box contents, and then we'll move on to the interface and other features, and let's see how good the TV is for the price segment it is being offered. This is the box packaging of the KUKA S3U Pro Smart TV. And inside the box you get the 32-inch KUKA S3U Pro, and you get the wall mount which is included, which is pretty convenient to set up the TV on the wall. Then you get this plastic chrome finished desk stand for mounting the TV on the table. Then you get the remote, the batteries, and the user guide. So in terms of design and build quality, you can see that the KUKA S3U Pro comes with a pretty good design. The bezels are kept to minimal. You can see that the bottom bezel is also kept to minimal. You can see the chrome garnish on the bottom section, the KUKA branding, and the desk stand also has this chrome branding, which also gives it a good premiumness to the design. The material quality is again pretty good on the KUKA S3U Pro. So in terms of ports and connectivity, you can see that the KUKA S3U Pro comes with a USB Type A port, then the TV tuner port, 3.5mm audio jack, 2 USB or rather HDMI port, then you get the AV input port, and also you get the LAN port. So it's fairly well equipped in terms of ports and connectivity, and you can attach your HDMI port as well as USB pen drives to the TV. So next let's have a look at the interface of the TV and what all features Coolita OS 1.0 brings to the table. So let's have a look at the UI and what all apps are pre-installed and what all features it offers. So as soon as you turn on the TV, you can see this screen. Now it's a black screen because we are not connected any cable TV or dish TV to the TV. So we don't have that kind of setup because most of us are now online. So that's why we don't have a cable TV setup. Hence the black screen is what you see. But at the bottom you can see what all features it offers. You can see here there are lots of features included. So whenever you bring up an app at the bottom, so you can see here there is YouTube, Hungama Play, Yep TV, ZEE5. You can see their app store where you can download some apps. Then additional options are also there. So whenever you select that app, you can see related apps are shown in the top without actually interfering with the experience in the background. So if you're watching something on the cable TV and if you want to browse the TV, your experience won't be interrupted because everything is kept at the bottom, thereby enhancing the overall experience. So you can see that there are apps as well. So if you click apps, you can see that there are some pre-installed apps included, and you can download them and install them. So there are few apps available here. This is a custom UI, so it has its own app store where you can download the apps. So the overall experience of the UI is very convenient, and it's actually very simple to use without interfering with the current whatever you're watching currently. That doesn't interfere even when you are navigating. So next let's move on to the remote. So you can see here the smart remote comes with 16 buttons. So all the TVs running with the Coolita OS comes with the smart remote, and this has 16 buttons. And also you can see here it's very easy to use the navigational buttons, the mute button, then home screen, and you can see that additional options for YouTube and Hungama Play is there, then volume up and down key. So it's a very simple and minimalistic remote, yet very much functional. So next let's talk about the entertainment part. So it comes with the YouTube 2021 version. The Coolita OS supports the latest version of YouTube app. You can click on the YouTube app on the smart remote, or click on the YouTube app on the home screen of the TV, and you can enter this platform. So YouTube is one of the most popular video platforms in the world, and you can get access to all the music videos, documentaries and everything on YouTube. So YouTube 2021 app also supports 360-degree panoramic playback as well as ultra high definition, and HDR10 and Dolby Vision is also supported on this TV. So here is this, whatever you're seeing right now is a clip being played from YouTube, and you can see that the quality of the video is definitely great, and it brings in a great immersive experience with HDR10 and Dolby Vision support. Apart from that, Coolita OS is also pre-installed with cloud games across various categories. You can see here these are the pre-installed games. So there are various categories including puzzles, strategy, action, sports. So as the games are preloaded, it actually saves the hassle of installing it again and again. So you can see that there are lots of games available. These are the pre-installed ones, and when game mode is switched on, you can actually get a latency of less than 20 milliseconds can be achieved on the TV. This is one of the good aspects because you do get some pre-installed games to play on the TV. Another feature of KUKA S3U Pro with the Coolita OS 1.0 is the CC Cast functionality. CC Cast is a proprietary technology developed by KUKA, and it allows you to project any content from an Android device onto your TV screen even without an internet or a Wi-Fi connection. So this is one of the cast functionality, and it is actually on a mobile device. You can connect to the local area network and it is transmitted to the TV. So let's see how that works. So once I have set up the cast, you can see that I can just view the images on the TV, and this works really well. It's very smooth without any sort of lag. So you can see here whatever I am doing on my smartphone is available on the TV as well. So this is one of the CC Cast functionalities on this TV. The TV also comes with a handy browser. You can browse any web page and get all the information. You can see there are some predefined web pages which you selected. So if you are a person who uses Google a lot, you can set those pages, and you can see that there is an option to bookmark as well. So you can browse any web page and create bookmarks on this browser as well. Being a budget TV also means that you need to have a data saver option. So you can see here in the network, you can see that the OS is equipped with a real-time data reminder so that you can easily get and monitor and manage data usage, whether you're watching your TV shows, movies, or playing online games. So there is the data saver available. So you can see here data usage, and you can set a data alerts as well. So you can see that every 100 MB you can set an alert, or every 500 MB 1 GB, or you can even turn it off. So this is very handy functionality to know the data consumed by the TV. KUKA S3U Pro has a 32-inch DLED screen. It's a direct view LED screen with a screen ratio of 16:9, and it actually delivers great HD TV experience. And it also comes with 5 picture modes which you can choose, actually standard, vivid, game, movie, sports to choose from, and it offers great picture quality no matter what you're watching. So this is a great TV for watching HD content, and so you can also choose from the 5 picture modes based on the content you're watching. KUKA S3U Pro also comes with dynamic algorithm. The picture contrast is improved, the depth is enhanced, and colors are optimized for really great viewing experience. Now it also comes with eye protection mode. It reduces the transmission of harmful light, and this gives a good experience to your eyes as well. Now in terms of audio experience, the KUKA S3U Pro also comes with immersive audio experience. It's equipped with two 10-watt high power single speakers, and it also has this KUKA Sound AES technology, which is audio enhanced surround technology, and it also comes with Dolby audio effects. Now even if you're watching movies, TV shows, music, games, the sound quality will be automatically optimized based on the content, and it delivers a richer and clearer experience with the audio output. So that's the audio quality of the KUKA S3U Pro. Priced at rupees 10,499, the KUKA S3U Pro is one of the best budget entry-level TVs you can get. The Qulita OS 1.0 also brings in good features for the segment. So if you're looking for a good budget smart TV, you should be considering the KUKA S3U Pro. So we'll share the buy now link in the description of this video, and this is available on Flipkart. So there is a video on the KUKA S3U Pro, the new smart budget TV from KUKA. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.